How to fix Realme 13 not receiving MMS messages. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option messages app. Now click on it and then click on app management. Now scroll down and here you can see the messages app. Now click on it and then click on storage usage. Now here you can clear the data and cache memory of messages app. After clear data and cache memory, then go back to the main page of your settings and click on system and update. Now click on backup and reset and then click on reset phone. On top you can see the option reset network settings. Now click on it and here enter your password to reset your network settings. After reset the network settings, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.